We're at the D.R. Horton development here at Forest Creek, and we're out in front of their model home. This is a Summit model, and we'll go inside to see inside. Here's some landscaping that you could do on your own house. D.R. Horton does a wonderful job at landscaping their model homes. And let's just run inside. Wonderful door. And here we are on the inside, and they've got it decorated to the hilt. Very open concept, wonderful sitting area. As I said, this is the Summit model. These range in price just over $250,000. And they have this situated as a formal dining room. You could also use this as a sitting room if you wanted to. Hallway back to the other bedrooms back in there. But we progress on into the family room. You can see the area in the back there. We'll progress on back here to the breakfast area and the kitchen. And look at the tile on there. They're just wonderful tile floors with two bay view windows. Lets in a really good amount of light. Granite countertops, double sink, microwave, gas range combination, oven, stainless steel refrigerator, pantry. And look at the amount of cabinet storage that they have here. Dishwasher. Back around to the living area. Now, can't you picture yourself just sitting there reading a good book, maybe on a rainy day? Let's go look at the guest rooms now, the other rooms on the other side of the house. So here we are right by the front door again. We're going to be going back down into the guest rooms. I'll just give you a peek in here. Nice room. Good sized closets. Nicely appointed bathroom. And the second room here on the back. Now let's go look at the master bedroom. Back around here towards the back. And here we are. Right off the doorway, the entryway, you see the master closet here. Going around, and here's the master bathroom. Double sink. Toilet area, shower, tub. Wonderful use of space. And you can see that's a king-size bed, and it can still hold two armoires on the side, or two little tables on the side. We'll go back out to the family room. But again, this is the D.R. Horton Forest Creek model home. Come on out and see it. You can give us a call at the Dunnigan team, and we'd be glad to come out here with you. Take care.